Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Teppo, back again with another analysis video. Today is Tuesday. We're looking ahead to London session, so please do me a favor, hit the like button there, subscribe if you're getting some value, and follow with me for today's analysis. Beginning right with the Dow Jones. Before I actually get into that, I should mention that these gaps from Monday/Sunday kind of did cause some issues in terms of structure. So there are a few instruments that I'm kind of waiting for them to get back into normal movement before I can take any positions. But just thought I'd preface this video with that. Yeah, Dow Jones gave us a level of drop, and then yesterday they rose back up. I guess that was just to close the gap, but I'm expecting Dow Jones to continue their downtrend. We've got 2 or 3 levels I'm expecting of drop there. Without complicating things too much, honestly, all I want to see here is a stop hunt high drop. We've got yesterday's high there. All I want to see here is a nice pin reversal candle. ADR is a little bit close, but we do have a big Asian range, so it's not too much of an issue for now. If you can get a nice small pin here and drop price further, then we know for sure we have our next level of drop. Moving over to Nasdaq. Nasdaq has been in a range quite for a bit. When you look at the H4, I don't like what I'm seeing here. But when I come down to the H1, where we normally look anyway, I've had one level of drop and quite some consolidation. I suppose they had to go collect some orders up there. Also, the gap did affect price, but same as Dow Jones here, I just want a stop hunt high drop. I've got yesterday's high there as a nice point of interest for me, so if I can just get a nice reversal candlestick there, definitely ready to take it short for 2 more levels. Over to the pound gave us 2 levels of rise, and then they kind of consolidated, went back to the Mayo a bit, in fact significantly below that. On the H4, that looks like they did 2 levels as well, but they came and pulled back price. So in any case, I'm still expecting to see them complete the cycle. They could very well have made this as their new peak formation, it being a reset and then go down, but I have no reason to believe that yet, or to confirm it rather. So I'm still expecting one more level of rise from the pound. I've got last week's, is it the low or the high? Last week's low staring at me right there as the perfect point of interest. If it could give us a nice reversal pattern there, I guess it's not a stop hunt kind of pattern, and then we will definitely be able to take it long there. Like I said, I want to see one more level of rise from the pound before we can see any reversal. So if they give us any clear indications there, then I'll be able to take a long. Continuation patterns also at yesterday's high are open as an option. It'll depend on how price behaves. Over to EURUSD, gave us 2 levels of drop. Took a while, but it's been quite clear. The second one was a little bit more aggressive. Again, the gap. But I want to see them drop price for 1 more level. I know it's the opposite of GBPUSD, but I always say that I am just counting. And from what I see here, we need to see 1 more level of drop from the euro. Huge blown up Asian session, so it makes a few things difficult to do the ADR, but I definitely think they can come up here for a stop hunt high, so we can reverse price and take it short from here. Going over to AUDUSD, they've given us all 3 levels of drop. First one doesn't look so nice, to be completely honest, but it looks like we've had all 3 levels of drop there, so I'm expecting them to reverse price. This could be a peak formation low. I'm not entirely sold on that. Could be a 1 leg peak formation, but yeah, I'm not really convinced on that. I still want to see something a little bit better, so maybe price could come down here and issue another second leg maybe to make this a 2-legged peak formation. Then we know we've anchored for sure the low of the week, and we can take it long from there, but none of that has been clear yet, so I don't even have a point of interest for taking any long from where we are. So I will stay out of AUDUSD for today, but I do expect them to go long. USDCAD finally broke out of that range of theirs, so back on my books today. As a result, we've had one level of drop. I didn't mark this, but I've had one level of drop here, and I expect them to give us one more level. Sorry, two more levels, and then complete the cycle. Break out of where this range was as well. I don't have a point of interest, so I won't have any way to take a position. No continuations, yeah. But I'm definitely looking to go short here, and well, not today, but yeah, definitely looking for them to complete their downward cycle with two levels of drop there. Going over to a dollar Swiss franc, we have had 3 levels of drop, quite clear, no questions asked there. This could be a peak formation, although it is one leg. It is more likely that they will come up and give us a second leg before dropping price, but I'm anticipating for them to drop it from here at least. At the end of the day, they have completed their cycle, so I want to see them reverse the trend and then go into a downward trend. I don't have any points of interest here for a trade. However, I can take a continuation, so I'll just have a look. I'll have my alert here at yesterday's low. Could take a continuation short there. Finally, S&P 500, similar to Nasdaq, a little bit confusing. They've been in this range, this level 3 sort of range, but I do expect them to break out of this one and go short. They've had one level so far. I expect them to give us 2 more levels of drop. I can see that yesterday's high is a little bit too close to the ADR, as is the case almost everywhere. I have to be very cautious when trading today, but I'll monitor their price point there for any stop hunt trades and then take it short. And that wraps up today's analysis video. Like I'm saying, have to be very cautious today. ADRs make it a bit tricky with the gaps from Sunday, but we still have potential trades, so our alerts will run and we'll still be looking to take trades. Otherwise, please do me a favor, click the link in the description, join our Telegram channel. I've got some new value coming out this week there as well, but for now, let's join the community, be a part of a group of traders who are also looking to improve, and BTMM traders. Share insights, maybe something that you're trading that I'm not seeing. As you can see, I have the same instruments, so maybe you have something as well. So any input, come join the community, help us grow, and let's trade better together. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Please have a profitable trading day.